Hey guys, Corey here from Sky's the Limit Car Care, and today we're going to talk all about DQUARTZ Go and how it's been going for the past 6 weeks. I got to put the car through a little bit of abuse with some of the extracurricular activities that I do on the weekend. I got out in the mud and did a bunch of fun things. So it hasn't been washed in 6 weeks. The first week or so, it was kept well, so it was labeled a cure without getting any of that stuff on it. So that's fine. But then after it was fully cured, like I said, I really put it through its paces, and today we're going to give you a little update on how it's going. So you probably remember we have PPF on the back here, this back door here, and so we have some DQUARTZ Go there, and then we have a layer of DQUARTZ Go here, and then 2 layers of DQUARTZ Go there, and then we have DQUARTZ Go plus SIC back there, and DQUARTZ Go plus Gliss back there. And let's see how it's doing. So, looks like we had a successful application. Everything's coming off real nice and easy, except for that little bit of bee pollen right there. That'll come off with a mitt. All right, so just rinsing the dirt off. As you can see, that beaded really well. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little wash with the reset, and that should actually make it even better, because that'll get any little bit of, it looks clean, but there's always a little bit of residue that is left behind if you don't hit it with a mitt. I'm not using any weight. I'm just letting the mitt do the work. So go over there, and these lower areas down here, that'll help a lot, because there's a lot more dirt that's going to get sucked around to the back of the car. As you can see, not a very dirty mitt at all, so even with all that, it looked like dirty down there, most of that came off with the rinse alone. So I'm going to switch my mitt to a clean side that hasn't been down low yet. And again, not picking up a lot of dirt there. So those dirtier areas are definitely rinsing off a lot faster now that we got a little bit of reset on those, and the rest of it is still rinsing really well. So looks really good to me. The water is obviously repelled really well. I didn't have my thing set up perfect for sheeting, but we still got some really good sheeting behavior out of it. All the water drops are just sliding right off. And what I was probably most impressed with is that there was not really any dirt, even when I went to use the actual mitt. Just rinsing it had gotten almost all the dirt off. Again, we always recommend you most certainly should use a wash mitt. It shouldn't be hard. You should just be able to lightly go over your car with a wash mitt if your ceramic coating is going right. And that's exactly what happened. But I was actually quite impressed that there wasn't a little bit more dirt that came off when I went over it. So really great results so far. We'll keep you guys updated, and any questions or comments, make sure to leave those below. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to do so, and we'll see you guys next time.